Do you know that you don't need all this expensive body lotion or a very harsh, strong, whitening body lotion in order to get a beautiful and a clear skin? I don't know if you guys can relate. There are people that you will see them, their skin is very clear. They don't look all bleached up. They have this natural, glowy looking skin, like very natural, glowy, healthy skin. And then when you ask them, what are you using on your skin? And they begin to mention products like Nivea, Dove, and all that. And then you'll be like, but I've used the same product and that product darkened my skin. And then you begin to wonder, probably it's because there is something else in that person's skincare routine and that person doesn't want to reveal that secret to you. Guys, I don't know if you can relate. If you can relate, let me know in the comment section, because I used to think that way too. But the truth is, you don't actually need any expensive body lotion, bar soap, or oil, or any strong whitening or lightening body lotion or bar soap to have a beautiful and a clear skin. Yes, early 2025, I decided to stay away from any products that is very harsh on the skin, and from that time till date, all that I've been putting on my skin are just mild products, and I've incorporated those products into a very healthy routine, and I like the way my skin is now. My skin is not looking all bleached up. I don't normally come up with all this hyperpigmentation and any form of unnecessary skin issues that comes when you're using all these bleaching products, stretch marks, green veins, dark knuckles, and the rest. So guys, on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can actually use affordable and healthy body lotions to safely brighten your skin and glow your skin. Guys, if you're still bleaching in this year 2026, then you are alone in that table, because we have left a long time ago. Guys, having a beautiful, glowy, and a healthy, natural looking skin is the main thing now. Like, this is the time to drop all those harsh chemicals, especially now that a lot of things are coming up. There are so many skin related issues that are coming up. Trust me, you don't want to keep on bombarding your skin with every form of harsh chemicals that can cause cancer, or when you begin to age, your skin will begin to look very funny. You don't want that, guys. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. I'm so sorry, you guys. I've actually been away for some time now, and I've not been posting videos regularly, but I'm fully back now, and I'm also going to do my best to ensure that I'm able to put up one video or two every week. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love, it's a girl once more. Welcome to the family. Here on this channel, we talk about everything skincare. We do products review, product recommendations, and we also bring healthy skincare routine that can help you tackle your skincare concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, green veins, stretch mark, you can name it, guys. If this sounds like what you're interested in, please kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on your notification, and kindly like this video. Guys, all that being said and done, I don't want this video to be too long. Let's go straight to the business of the day. So guys, on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys simple body lotions, and I will also be recommending bar soaps that you can actually use to get a healthy, clear skin. Like I said earlier, guys, if you want to bleach your skin, I'm so sorry, this video is not for you. But if you like what you're seeing, if you like my skin and you like the healthy glows and clear, smooth texture that you're seeing, then I want you to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be exposing you guys to all the body lotions that I've been using, the bar soap and scrub, and I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to use them the right way, so that they won't make your skin darker, rather they will just help to clear your skin and give you this natural and glowy looking skin. We're going to be starting with the body lotions, guys, and I have 3 body lotions here with me. These are the body lotions that my skincare routine has been revolving around. All right, these are the body lotions I'm using. You guys, believe you me when I say this is what I'm using. We don't gatekeep here, okay? So you don't have to think maybe there is something else that I'm hiding. I'm going to be showing you guys everything. So let's start with the body lotions, like I said earlier. So this is the Nivea vitamin C body lotion. This body lotion is very nice, okay? And the major ingredient is vitamin C. And also, this is the Dove body lotion, this pink colored one, and it contains ceramides in it. This body lotion is very nice. It is so affordable as well. And also, I have the Dr. Davi Abutane vitamin C body lotion. If you can get the glutathione or the kojic acid, fine and good, but I love to use the glutathione or the vitamin C. Any of the variants you can lay your hands on, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is knowing how to use them the right way. Now, you can get any of these body lotions, like I said earlier. If you don't want any of these, you can get any mild body lotions that contains ceramides and healthy skincare ingredients, not all those harsh bleaching chemicals in them. That is the first step, guys, to getting a beautiful, a healthy, and a glowy skin. Stay away from body lotions that contains harsh chemicals. That is the first step. All right, now after getting any of these body lotions, the next thing you want to ensure you have is a scrub. If you know you're not going to be consistent with using scrub, don't even bother getting any mild body lotion, because take it from me, you're going to get darker. That is just the truth. So if you've decided that you don't want to bleach anymore, you just want to have a beautiful, healthy, glowy skin, then including a body scrub to your routine is very important. If you don't do that, you will get darker. Yes, that is the truth. That is why someone will be using this and the person will be getting brighter and the person won't get darker. But you, once you decided to start using it, and then you notice that you begin to get darker. Why? Because that person is exfoliating and you are not exfoliating. This is the body lotion I'm currently using. This body lotion contains ceramide. If you were bleaching before, or you have all this hyperpigmentation, or you have green veins, dark knuckles, this body lotion is very good. It contains ceramide. It's going to help to restore your skin barrier, especially those of you that have damaged skin barrier. Now, once you get this or any of those three that I mentioned, you're going to get yourself a very good exfoliating scrub. You guys, are you guys seeing this Dr. Maina Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub? Guys, don't joke with this scrub. This scrub is very nice. Like, I can vouch for this scrub any day, anytime. This scrub is very, very good. So you want to ensure that you are exfoliating at least twice or once in a week. And don't just use your scrub just like that. Use it together with a glove sponge. Very, very important. And let me teach you how to exfoliate the right way. Once you go to the bathroom and you want to exfoliate your skin, please do not exfoliate on a dry skin. I heard some people telling you guys that you guys should exfoliate first before taking your bath. No, that is very wrong. I will always advise you to have your bath first. Okay, have your normal bath first. When you're done having your bath, then you can go in with your scrub. Get a glove sponge. Once you have your bath, it's going to help to soften your skin and also soften those dead skin cells. All right, so that any other thing you're doing is going to do what it's supposed to do and penetrate into the skin properly. Now, after taking your bath, you're going to go in with your scrub. Like I said earlier, please don't just use your hand when you're using your exfoliating scrub. Get a glove sponge. Get an exfoliating glove sponge. All right, use it and then you kind of apply it on your body and then gently scrub it all over your body. Good thing about this scrub is you can use it on your face too. Except you have a sensitive skin, then you want to be very careful. All right, but if you have a normal to combination skin, you can go ahead and exfoliate your skin. Now, another thing that you need to put into consideration is already your body lotions that I showed you guys earlier. That's the Dove or the Nivea. They are just mild skin brightening and moisturizing body lotions. They don't do any form of lightening or whitening on your skin. What they do is they nourish your skin and then they also help to, you know, moisturize your skin very well. Now, you want to ensure that you now have a very good bar soap in your routine. And when it comes to bar soap, I will always recommend you have 2 bar soaps or 1 bar soap, 1 shower gel. Let one of your bar soap be a normal moisturizing bar soap, and then the other one should be a whitening or a lightening bar soap. Okay, now if you have a sensitive skin like mine, I'm actually a fan of baby bar soaps. Yes, I love to use baby bar soaps a lot. Yes, all those baby bar soap from Pears, from Eva, especially Eva baby bar soap. That's what I'm currently using on my skin, guys. You'll be using the Eva baby bar soap or the Pears baby bar soap or Cousins baby bar soap in your morning routine. Then in your night routine, you get a very strong whitening or lightening bar soap. Either the Koji sand soap or you get this Ashanti bar soap. This is the one I'm currently using. I'm pairing this together with the Eva baby bar soap. If you don't like bar soap, you can go with shower gels or body washes from SK Duchess, St. Ives, any one of your choice. You can go ahead and use them. And lastly, you need a very good body oil, guys. A very good body oil. And there are so many body oils out there. You can go with the Vaseline body oil. You can go with the Dr. Davi body oil. And you can even go with this Desire body oil. Guys, are you seeing this product I just showed you guys? If you follow it the way I just showed you guys, you're not going to get darker. Yes, you're not going to get darker. And please, this routine I showed you guys, the only thing you can use on your face here is the body scrub. Most of this products I showed you guys are for the body. I'm going to be creating a different routine for the face. For those of you that want to have a natural looking bright and clear face, I'm going to be making a separate video. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and hope you found this video very helpful. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, guys, please kindly subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like this video. Remember guys, consistency is key. Consistency is key. You don't expect to just use this within 1 month or 2 months and then you will see result. I have to be frank with you guys, it took me consistency to get this clear skin that you guys are seeing. And in fact, this year I'm doing more of, I don't edit my video or use filters on my videos. This is how my skin is. This is the way you're seeing it. This is it. This is just how it is. No gatekeeping this year. I just follow the routine according to how I just mentioned, and you're going to love your skin. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're yet to like this video, kindly do so. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section which video you want me to be making next. Any skincare related issue that you're battling with and you want me to make a video on that, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in our next. Bye.